Greetings and welcome to Math 61 Elementary Algebra. My name is Lynette Mann and I'm going to be your instructor for this class. We are a fully online class. So what does that mean? Well, here's what it means. You are not required to come down to West Hills College, Coalinga to get your lectures. Those are all going to be done online. You will do your homework online. You will discuss things online. But please expect to come down to campus twice this term. Once, you are required to come to campus and take your midterm with me. Secondly, you are required to take your final exam on campus with me. But if you cannot get down to campus because you are just too far away, we recognize that many of you are out of state or they're in state but you're hours of driving time away, please don't fret. We do accept proctored exams, and I'll put up the information on what proctors are acceptable and how to go about getting a proctor. I'll put that information up shortly. So what do you need to know about this course? Number one, I do recognize that everybody is on a different schedule. Some of you work, some of you have families, some of you don't, some of you have lots of free time, some of you don't. Some of you are very, very busy. I understand that. And because of that, I'm not going to force you to be in class at any particular time. So I'm not going to say, everybody meet Thursdays at 6 p.m. No, I'm not going to have you do that. Here's how I do it. Every week, Monday at 6 a.m., I release new information. And you will have a whole entire week to get the tasks that are going to be required of you completed. You have one full week. In fact, you have a little bit over a week, to be honest. You have Monday at 6 a.m. it opens up. You have until the following Monday at 11:59 p.m. to get homework done. Now, why do I extend it past the 6 a.m. deadline and not just leave it at in exactly a week? Because I travel on the weekends frequently. And therefore, I might not be available really quickly on the weekends. I do answer emails on the weekends, but I might not be, strapped to it readily available to answer those questions. So I do give you that Monday day to connect with me via office hours or whatever to get the answers that you need to complete homework. So I give you a little bit of leeway there, or have designed the course in that way. Tests are due on Wednesdays. No, not every Wednesday. It's just after we complete a whole entire chapter, you will have a test. I don't make them due on Mondays because you're getting your homework completed on Mondays, and that way that gives you a couple of extra days to study for the test, and then the test will be due that Wednesday. So in general, you can expect all homework to be due on Mondays, and maybe every other week there will be a test due on the following Wednesday. We do have deadlines. Like I said, we have deadlines, and you need to adhere to the deadlines. The great thing about online classes is that they're very, very convenient. You don't have to go anywhere. In fact, you can stay snug and warm in your bed in your fuzzy pajamas and pink bunny slippers if you want. But we do have deadlines and we do need to get through the material. So please adhere to deadlines. The bad thing about online classes is that I'm not there nagging you. I'm not telling you you have to be in class this week. It's all self-motivation. I highly recommend that you look at your schedule and see where you can fit in class time. Expect that you will need minimally, yes, minimally, 10 hours of time every week to dedicate strictly to this class to get through the coursework that you need to get through. I'm pretty honest with you, this class does take some time. Math is very similar to playing piano, and piano takes a lot of practice, so does math. Now, I'm good at math, but I'm not very fast at math, believe it or not, and therefore I recognize that there are some people that are fast at math and some people that are not so fast at math like me. If you are not so fast at math, you might want to add a little bit of more time in your schedule for the coursework and lectures and such to get done. If you're fast at math, maybe it would take you less up than 10 hours a week, but plan on 10 hours a week. Additionally, you might want to set specific time aside. So although I don't have a strict schedule for you. It's gone to show in studies that students that force themselves to be in class at very particular times, let's say you are 3 a.m. in the morning on Tuesday and Thursdays, that when you force yourself to be in class, you're more inclined to be successful. So I encourage you to kind of look at your schedule and see where you can dedicate specific time for this class. So that's pretty much all I want to say for the welcome. I highly recommend that you work through the syllabus, that you read through the syllabus. I'll be making a syllabus video here walking you through the syllabus, and there will be a syllabus quiz just to make sure that y'all are reading what you need to read. So that's it for this welcome video. So until next time, be seeing you.